Today we're going to go over how to do a kettlebell windmill. So I'm going to show you the beginner windmill, a way to get into the windmill and a way to kind of teach your body how to do it correctly and get the best out of the windmill. So when you're doing a windmill, we're basically working on the side of your body, your obliques, your lats, and also you feel it down your hips and on the inside thigh of the opposite leg. So to get into this position, you're going to go a little bit wider than hip width. I'm going to show you without any weight first, so you kind of know how you should be doing it, what it looks like, and then I'm going to pick up a kettlebell and show you how to do it with the kettlebell. Okay? So you're going to go a little bit wider than, I'll come over here, a little bit wider than hip width apart. Okay? And we're going to start with, let's say I'm going to use my left hand coming down. Now you're going to come in front of the toe. You don't want to go to the side of the body or inside the leg. You go right into the front of the toe, and you're going to be bending this leg. The other hand is going to be up in the sky. So as you're coming down, you're going to bend slowly. Come down here and then go all the way up and down. What I like to do is keep a look here so it helps your body kind of stay in line. So you're going to come down here and up. And as you do this, you're going to come back onto that left side glute and then you come up with hips forward. I'm going to show you the same thing sideways. Okay? So we're going to come down here, reaching toward the toe, hips go up. So see I come down, back through here, and up. You see I shift my weight a little bit toward that side, which is okay. Sometimes you'll feel that you want to push your weight to the other side. That's why you want to bend this leg, okay? So we're going to try with a little bit of weight, just 25 today so I can still talk through the video. So we're just going to hang it down. We're not going to do any pulling or anything with this side. Hand goes up. We're going to come down, reach in, and up. So you're going to go down and up, just like that. Same side. So we recommend 10 to 20 times on that side. Go ahead and shift it to the other side. You're going to come down and up. Go nice and slow and come up. And what you'll tend to see, or when you're new, maybe your shoulders are tight, your back's tight, your hand's going to drop here and come up. So looking at the hand and kind of pointing to the sky, find that spot that you're going to point at the ceiling or the sky the whole time. Keep your hand going right up to that spot as you come down. You're going to feel those obliques on both sides work, your lats, inner thigh, quads, glutes, everything working in that one movement. 10 to 15, maybe 20 times on each side, switching back and forth. And that's the beginning of a windmill, okay? So visit us at allstillfitness.com to see lots more kettlebell workouts just for you.